Hello all and welcome to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to share with you Nursery Maths worksheet. So total I'm going to share with you 16 types of worksheet. So please watch this video till end. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel Somna Kids World for more videos and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest video. Now let us see what type of worksheet I have done here and how you can make this simple worksheet at home for your kids so that they will get interest and you can take the practice of your kids at home with this simple worksheet. Now let us see. Fill in the blanks. The first one is fill in the blanks. Like this you can give the blanks and tell them to write the numbers. Like 1, what comes after number 1? 2. 2, then 3. Then what comes after 3? It's number 4. Like this you can give the numbers till number 20. Next one is what comes next? 3. After 3 what comes? 4. After 4 what comes? Which number? It's number 5. Next one is 7. So what comes after 7? It's number 8. After 8 what comes? It's number 9. Like this you can give what comes next. Next worksheet is fill in these flowers. So I have drawn here some flowers. You can draw any picture like flowers or any house or any fruits, anything you can draw, because if we draw like this the kids will get interest and they will get attraction to do something. If you give simple number they will not do. So if you draw anything, so if you make a color and pictures anything, they will get interest to do the worksheet. Like here I have done number 1. So after 1 which number comes? 2. After 2 which number comes? 3. Like this you can tell the kids to write the numbers in a sequence. Next is count the number of stars and color the number balls. You can give any stars, any picture you can give. So here I have given star. So you have to count how many stars are having here. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here we are having 4. So you have to color the which number? Number 4. Number 4 you need to color. Next one is how many stars we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number they need to color? Number 5. Like this they can count and they can color the proper number. Next is count and match. You can draw any object and tell them match it with the according to the number. Like here you are having how many butterfly? We are having 1 butterfly. So you have to match it with number 1. Next one is how many pencils you can see here? We are having 1, 2. So we have to match it with number 2. Like this you can give the pictures of any object, any fruits, any flowers, anything, and tell them to match it with the proper number. Next is color and circle all 4. Here what you have to do, here I have jumbled all the number. They have to find it out only number 4. So any number you can give, but here I have given number 4. So from this they have to find it out. They have to identify where is number 4. Here is number 4. 4, 4, 4, and they have to then tell them to color. They have to color. I found how many 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of 4s I have found it out. Next one is count and circle the correct numbers. They have to count the object and they have to circle the proper number. So how many curves you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 number of curves. So which number is the proper number? 4. How many curves we are having? 4. Next is how many leaves you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many leaves we are having here? 5. So where is 5? Here it is 5. So you have to circle it number 5. Next is how many count and write the numbers. You have to count and you have to write the numbers. You can see how many leaves you can see. 1, 2, 3. So you need to write here number 3. How many flowers you are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many apple? It is having only 1 apple. So you have to write number 1. Next is count the candles on each cake, match with the correct number. You have to count the number of candles on each cake and you have to match it with the correct number. Like number 1, you can see how many number of candles are having. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is number 4? Here. So you have to match it with number 4. Next is how many? 1, 2. So where is number 2? Here. So you have to match it with number 2. Next one is how many candles are having? 1, 2, 3. So where is number 3? Here. So you have to match it with number 3. Next one is color according to the given numbers. So here I have written some numbers and I have colored them. So according to that color they have to color these flowers, and in this flower also I have written some numbers. Like here it is number 3. So 3, you can see the number 3 box also having, now which color? It is having green color. So you need to color which color? Green color. Next one is, you can see number 7. 7 number box is in which color? It is in the blue color. So you have to color it with the blue color. Like this you can give and tell them to color it. Next one is draw circle according to the given numbers. So here I have given number 4. Kid needs to draw how many circles? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this they need to circle. Here suppose here it is number 3. So kid needs to draw how many circles? 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this simple they can make a circle according to the number. Next is concept. Like big, small. Circle which is big. They need to see the picture and they have to identify which is the big one or which object is the big one. Like here this one is a big circle and this one is a small circle. So they need to circle this big circle. This is having a big square and this one is having a small square. So they need to circle this big square. Next concept is about tall or short. Circle which is short. They have to circle it which is short. So this one is the short tree. They need to circle the short one. So which candle is a short one? This candle is a short one. They can see and they can circle it. Next is more or less. Which box has more? They have to count the number of object in each box and that is having more object and they have to circle. Like here this side how many balloons we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this side we are having how many balloons? 2. 1, 2. So they need to circle this 4 number of balloons because this side we are having more balloons. Next one is match with the same number. You can give this side the same, this side some number and this side also, and they have to identify the same numbers and they have to match it. Like this is number 2 from this side, they have to find it out where is number 2 and they have to match it. It's number 8. So where is number 8? Here. So they have to match it with number 8. 5. So where is number 5? 5. So they have to match it according to the number, or you can say the same number. Next one is circle the odd one out. They have to see the object, they have to see the picture and they have to circle the odd one out. Like here it is having flower, 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 leaf, flower, flower. So which one is the different one or odd one or this leaf? So need to circle the leaf. You can see the another picture. It's a picture of a leaf, 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 and it's a picture of a mango. So which one is the different one? Odd one out. This is a picture of a mango, is the odd one out. So need to circle this mango. Next one is match the shapes. They have to match the same shapes. Like this side we are having square, circle, triangle, rectangle, and this side also you have to give the same shapes and they have to match it. Like this side you are having square, so this side they also have to match square, square, square. Like this they have to match this side and that side, the same shapes they have to match it out. Next one is far and near. So which one is far and which one is near? You can see this umbrella is near to the tree, but this umbrella is far away from the tree. So which one is near? This is near. And which is far? And this one is far. You have to circle the near one. So you can circle this one. So for today's video, this much about the worksheet, nursery math worksheet. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Somna Kids World. Give a thumbs up. Please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the latest video. So for today, this much about the nursery worksheet. Thank you for watching this.